Guys, Marcelo here with Salt Industries. Today I want to show you why our harnesses are so cool. Just got back from riding. Our harnesses got pretty filthy. Check this out. I'm going to take these home, wash them, bring them back, looking like new. Yeah, that is filthy. How much dirt is in these. Look at that. Oh, they are filthy. All right, let's do this. I'll be back.
The next day.
All right, we're gonna wash these real quick on delicate cycle, cold water. And what I usually like to do is try to get these together. You can use zip ties. You could just push them together. They usually stick together. And just throw them in there. So we got 2-inch and our 3-inch harnesses going in. Make sure we have detergent and go. Perfect.
3 days later.
What are you doing to the Polaris General? Nice, nice. Just got back from washing my harness straps. Check them out, look how clean they look. It's amazing. I'm gonna have brand new harnesses just by taking these to home and washing them. And they actually smell really good too. So let me show you how good they look on the car. All right, so when we designed our seat belts, the whole reason why we did this was for this exact reason. So we could take these off and wash them and make them look new again. So as you can see, look how bright they are. All the dirt, all the mud, everything that was on these came off. And this is how easy it is to get new looking harnesses. And then we've got the pads. It smells so good. Geez, sorry. Here we go. What's good about our pads too are they are adjustable. So if you want them higher, lower, if they're rubbing too much, you can actually stick them out to the outside a little bit. And they are very customizable. Put one there, and we'll put that one there. And we've got brand new looking harnesses.